Okay, as I discussed, the first loop is for loop. This requirement you can make using for loop. I already discussed. Now, same requirement can be made using while loop. Now, see here. This line is same as for loop. Okay. But here you will see in for loop, we write like this one. For counter equal 1 to 10. The initial value and checking of condition in same line. But here you can see initial value of loop is separate. Counter equal to 1. Okay. Counter is 1. 1 less than equal to 10. Is this true or false? 1 less than 10.
Yeah.
So it will print output counter like 1 on the screen. Counter equal to counter plus 1. This is again separate, different line from the for loop. In for loop, you were writing next counter, but here you are writing counter equal to counter plus 1. So now counter value will be 2. Control will come here. Now it will check again condition 2 less than 10. Is this true or false? Is this true or false?
Which one?
2 less than 10, because your counter become 2.
Yeah.
So it will print 2. Okay. Got the point? So this again, this loop also print till 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, till 10. Okay, till 10. You got the idea? The working of loop. Did you get? This will print same output 1 to 10. Last time it was for loop, right now it is while loop. Okay, just you need to know how to use while loop, how to write a while loop. First of all, you will write its initial value. Then you will write its condition. If condition is true, then you need to write statement execution. After statement execution, you have to write updation of loop. If you remember, I have already discussed with you. Okay. Can you write on paper? Did you write the previous one?
Yeah.
Now,
Okay.
okay, now write this one on register. Then I move to next slide.
Yes, sir. I'm done. Right.
Okay. Same program we can make using repeat enter. Now see. This line is similar in for loop, in while loop, and now here it repeat enter. In while loop, okay, initial value of loop is adjust. Same thing you will do in repeat enter. Counter initial value. This is the initial value of loop, counter equal to. Okay. Now, as I told you, while loop is a precondition loop. Okay. While loop is a precondition. Here you are checking the condition. If condition is true, you come inside. If condition is false, you come here. But in repeat until, it is the post condition. Condition is checking here. Condition is checking here. So this line is same as while loop. Then you will write repeat. Okay. First, so initial value is counter equal to 1, so output will be 1. Now counter become 2, because already 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we'll check the condition. 2 greater than 10. Is this true or false? Two greater than 10. Is this true or false?
False, false, false.
False. So repeat until loop, run until condition become false. Okay, remain false. When it becomes true, it exit. Loop exit. So 2 is false. Control will come here. So output counter, now it will print on screen 2. Control will come here. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now it will check 3 greater than 10. Is this true or false? Yes, Umar.
False.
False. So control come here, output counter, it will print on screen. So till condition is false, loop will run and till 1 to 10. When counter become 11, because here this one is here 10 will be printed on screen. Now 10 plus 1 counter value is 11. Here you will check 11 greater than 10. Is this true or false?
True.
True. So loop will exit because repeat until runs until condition false. Okay, got the idea? So it is
Yeah.
a post condition. It is a post condition loops. Post means first run the statement. After running the statement once, it will check the condition. Okay, you got the idea?
Yeah, yeah.
You can write down register. Then I move to next slide.
Okay. So can I come from version?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir. Hello, I'm back.
Okay, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Now see, write an algorithm using for loop that takes 10 number from a user and output their total. Okay. So can you do this one? Or should I help you?
Uh, yeah. Write an algorithm using for loop that takes.
Takes me, you have to input.
This is like the last one?
Almost similar, but the change is you have in this program, you have to take input within the loop.
First we declare the counter, right?
Yeah.
And
But for taking input, you need to another variable that can be number. Got the idea?
huh?
For taking input, you need to have number variable, but it should be within the loop.
Oh. So declare number is equals to integer.
Yeah, integer, because you have to take number.
Okay, okay. Now
No, write integer on the right side here. Write integer here. Here I.
yeah, I did, but I didn't. Okay. And, now number is equals to 1, right? We take number as 1.
No. What about counter? We need to have another variable, no, for loop.
Oh, yes, yes. Now we'll do number or number is equals to 1 or counter.
No, now you first write the for loop statement. How will you write?
For
You have to write now.
for loop.
You have to
Yeah, yeah.
solve. You have to write this problem in for loop, then while loop, then repeat until. But let me know. Okay, basically there is a three variables. Okay. How?
Okay.
Now see first, I'm writing in for loop, then you can convert into while loop and repeat until. Okay.
Okay.
Why three? There are three loops. Okay. One loop is number of times means loops, and one variable for taking input for number. You have to take input, na? But taking input, you need to have a variable, okay? Like number. And then you need to have total variable.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to store data in total. So you need to have variable total. So first I will declare. I show you that, then you can understand. Now see here. You have to declare number for taking input. You have to declare counter for loop, and you have to declare total to store the total. Because the requirement is whenever you are taking input, write an algorithm using for loop that takes 10 number. Taking means inputting the number from a user and output their total. Every time you have to make total.
Yeah.
Okay. So that is why you need to have total. Okay. Now remember next point. Whenever you need to have total, you have to initialize with the 0. Because 0 plus number 0. The initial value
Plus,
must be 0 whenever you make total variable. Now here this is the same line which you have done in the last program for counter equal 1 to 10. For counter equal to 1 to 10. Instead of input, you can also use the word read for taking input. Okay, read number means you are taking input. You can write also input command, input number. Instead of read, you can use this command, input. Got my point? Read or input, both are same. Read or input, both are same. Okay. Total equal to total plus. Okay.
yeah.
You give first now initially total 0. You give first number 10. 0 plus 10 is equal to total. Here I am making basically some dry run. Your counter value, your number, then total. Now see, counter initially 1. Okay. Counter initially 1. Okay. Now it will check 1 less than 10. Is this true or false?
This is true.
So control will come here. Read number. I give first number is 10. First number is 10. Now control will come here now. 0, total initial value 0, 10. So here total will become 10. Got the point? Till now you got the point?
Yeah.
Okay. Now control will come here. Next counter means counter equal to counter plus 1. So counter will become 2. Counter will become. Yes, Umar, you got this point?
Two. Yeah.
Okay. Now control will come here. 2 less than 10. Is this true or false?
True.
True. Until for loop remain true, it will run the program. The control will come here. Read number. I give right now 20. Read number means giving input. Give it input. Control will come here. So last total was 10. Now 20. It becomes 30. So I will add 30. You got this point?
Yeah.
Okay. Now control will here next counter. So your counter will be 3. Okay. Now control from here to here 3 less than 10. Is this true or false?
True.
True. So control will come here. Okay. Read number. So this time I gave 15. I give 50. So last total is 30. Now 15. It becomes 45. Okay. It becomes 45. Okay. So till 1, the loop will run 1 to 10. 1 to 10. I assume that the last total is 135. At the time of loop value is 10. Loop value is 10. I assume that. Okay. So now counter value become 11. When 11 less than 10, 11, is this true or false?
False, false.
False. So loop will exit. Your control will come here. Print total. 135 will be printed on screen. Okay. You understand the working of for loops? Yes, Umar. You got it?
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay, first write this one. Then can you convert into while loop? The same program. Okay, first write, then I guide you.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay, done. So now you have to write this program into while loop. Now I'm guiding you some point. This line will be remain same. This will remain same. There is no change. This one remains same because here you are taking input. This one remains same because here totaling is done. And this one will remain same. Only change occurred here. Okay, because in while loop, you have to write after total here. Counter equal to 1. Counter equal to 1. Its initial value you have to set. Then instead of for loop, we write while. You can see the last program. While counter less than 1 or less than 10. Less than equal to 10. Now this line will change. Counter equal to counter plus 1. You got the idea? Yes, Umar?
Yeah.
This line remains same. This line remains same. No change. Read number, total number, no change. Print total, no change. Only line number 3 will change. Line number 6 will change. Line number 6 become counter equal to counter plus 1. Okay. and line number 3 will be converted 2 lines. Counter equal to 1. While
Sir, can I get the order outside? I'll be like,
okay. No, order will remain same. No change. Because there is no change, no change.
no,
Okay.
can I get the order from outside?
Okay. Okay.
One. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes. Okay. First, did you
Okay.
write this one?
Uh,
Okay. First write this one, then convert into while loop, as I told you. Okay. Can you write?
uh,
Write.
Yes, sir.
So you have written this one? Have you written this one?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you convert into while loop? The same pronoun? Or do you need guide? Try to convert the same program into while
Uh,
loop. This line remains same, this line remains same, okay? This will remain same, this will remain same, no change. This will remain same. Change will come here and change will come here according to while loop. You can see from the previous code, the first program, okay? Try it, otherwise I will guide. Okay, have you done?
yes, sir.
Which one? While loop? Should I show you? Should I show you while loop? Yes, over. Should I show you? Hello.
Yeah.
Now see this one. Now see, this line is same. This line is same. Only three, line number 3 and 4 is changed. Counter equal to 1, while counter less than equal to 10. Okay, you will write in while loop condition. This line is same. This line is same. Here is changed. Count for for updation of loop. In for loop, you write next counter. Here you will write counter equal to counter plus 1. And while you add the and while and then print it. The same. Got the idea? The same program you can write using while loop. Okay. This one. This is written in for loop. Requirement is this one. And you can write it while loop. The same program. Okay, can you convert into repeat until? Yes, Umar? Can you convert into repeat until? Hello?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Can you convert into repeat until this program?
Repeat until.
Yeah. The third loop, repeat until. Can you do this one? Not, not see.
Repeat until.
Yeah. The third loop, which you have done in last program. Now think it again. This line will remain same. This line will remain same. This line will remain. Change will here. This line will remain same. This line will remain same. Okay. This line will remain same. This will be discarded. This line will remain same. Here you will write until. Okay. Until count greater than 10. Until counter greater than 10. Here you will write only repeat. You will write only repeat. Got the point?
Okay.
I show. Can you write it? Should I show you?
Yeah.
Should I show you?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Now see this one. Now see, this line is same in for loop, in while loop, and also in repeat until. This line is same in for loop, while loop, and repeat until. This line is same in while loop and repeat until. Instead of writing while loop, you will write the repeat. Repeat. This line is same. This line is same. In while loop, this line and repeat until this line is same. Here you will put the condition until counter greater than 10. And while is discarded, this line is same. Okay. Change is here.
Okay.
Change is here. Rest of the line are same. Okay. So you can write it, then we can end the program.
So time is.
Yeah. Can you write this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
First write, then you can add.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.